guys, for the next little bit, we are studying globes and maps and places and things like the compass rose. So today I'm just going to do a brief overview because I know that you've already learned about maps and you've already learned about globes. Okay, today I want to talk more about locations that we know. Okay, so right here we have a globe, right? A round model of the earth. Okay? Next, I have a world map. This is a map, so it is flat. Okay? And it shows us the whole world. We live in the United States. So, we need to find the United States. So I am going to try, wish me luck, to draw you a line around the United States. Whoa! Okay, I'm done. There it is. There is the United States. Okay? That is where we live. That kind of orangish color. That is where we live. So, now I'm going to click on it and take us to a bigger picture of the United States. All right, so these are all 50 states. Remember, just like the stars on the flag, we have 50 states. These are all of the states. We call this the East Coast and this the West Coast. We live on the East Coast. What state do we live in? What state do we live in? Yep, we live in Virginia, right there. So I'm going to try and draw again. All right. We live in, whoops, got to get my line back. We live in Virginia. Woo! Let's format that. Or let's just delete it. Okay. We live right here in Virginia. That is our state. So our country is the United States, but our state is Virginia. Okay? The capital of the United States, of all of the states, is Washington, D.C., which is that dot right there. A lot of times you will see the capital symbol as a star. Okay? A lot of times you'll see it as a star. So, we live in Virginia. This is the United States. And the capital of the United States is Washington, D.C., right there where my arrow is. All right, let's look at Virginia. This is only looking at Virginia, okay? Remember, it's right here on the map. And then here it is big, okay? Washington, D.C. is still up here, just like it was last time. And then through here you will find Richmond. And that is our capital. So remember, I said that a lot of times we represent it with a star, right? So I'm going to grab a star and put it right there, because that is the capital of Virginia. Okay, so on this map we have the capital of the United States right there. Okay, and then we have the capital of Virginia right here. Okay, that's Richmond. And we live very close to Richmond. It's where the city is with all the big buildings. But all of us live in King William. So now I'm going to go to the Virginia map, and this has all the different counties you can live in. And this county right here is King William. That's where we live. Okay? This is King William. So let's go through this again. We have the globe, a round model of the Earth. We have the world map, which is flat, and it shows us the United States. Here's an up-close view of the United States with Washington, D.C. as the capital. We live in the state of Virginia, where our capital is Richmond. And the county we live in is King William, right there.